Welcome back. In my previous video, the one about Toketee Hot Springs, I mentioned that I was going to link the Toketee Waterfall video. But there's one problem with that. I hadn't made that video yet. So here we are, about 60 miles northwest of Prospect in the Umpqua National Forest today. There's something about water that to me is very relaxing. And every time I'm starting to feel a little crazy with this 2020 stuff going on, there's nothing better than to spend a couple of hours out in nature, hiking, looking at some beautiful waterfalls, and letting the sounds and the scenery take over. Toketee Falls is just around the corner from here, and it is beautiful. I highly recommend. It's only like a 3/4 mile out and back trail. There's about 200 steps, but even Bambi could do them, so it's easy. Toketee is a Chinook word, and it means graceful or pretty, and that's probably the best way to describe these waterfalls. It's a 2-tier, beautiful waterfall, and today, the amount of water that's flowing there, I've never seen that before. It's incredible. I think the amount of water coming through today to the river, the North Umpqua River, is because they're doing some work with the Toketee pipeline. This Toketee pipeline was a post-World War II project, and since then it's been bringing electrical power to more than 20,000 people in the area. It's a 12-foot diameter flume, water flume, made out of redwood. It's awesome. The flow of the water to Toketee Falls is usually regulated by the dam upstream, so year round you'll get about the same ratio, the same amount of water coming through. But today it was amazing. It was so much water. I'd never seen that before. At the end of the trail there's a viewing platform where you get some of the best and the most iconic views of this waterfall. If you're taking pictures though, a tripod might not help because when there's other people it shakes. So there goes your silky smooth and tripod pictures. If you wait and you're patient, you might get a few minutes by yourself without other people on the platform, and then you can get some really cool shots from the platform. Years ago, I have hiked down to the water, and I know there's people that go swimming. I've seen people swimming there. That's really slick and steep and a bit dangerous, but for pictures it's a great perspective. Even though it's a short trail, it is a beautiful trail. It's filled with giant trees and lots of maple that change colors this time of year. The trail it's amazing. The big trees, the rocks, the moss, ferns on all the rocks. It's very beautiful. And right here is the Toketee reservoir. This is where the dam is that regulates the flow of water to the waterfalls. It's beautiful, very peaceful today, very calm. You can see it's almost like a glass mirror reflection. And that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, click that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thanks.